just finished the gym and I've turned Just Eat on. Just going to Greg's to pick up my first order. Let's go and get the delivery. So I'm in Greg's, waiting to pick up my order. First order of the day. Awesome. I thought I'd ask because you're not. Don't worry, you're not in it. But you can be in it if you want. No idea where we're going, but I'll find out in a second when I turn my app on. I've just picked up my first delivery from Greg's. I'm just gonna go and drop it off down the road, 2 miles down the road, which will only take me like 5 minutes. And I think it's like £6 or something like that. I don't know, but what we do is by the end of the day, we will go over what I've made today doing the side hustle. Okay, we've just got to the delivery location. Let's get out of the car. Get the bag, get the goods. Dropped the first delivery off. I didn't actually get to show that because the guy was outside and I didn't want to turn up at his door holding a camera. Some people get camera shy, you know? And I don't blame them. I get camera shy. Anyway, so I turned up at the door. He was already there, and I gave him the Greg's. And then the minute I finished that delivery, another delivery popped up on the phone, on the old money phone. So now I'm going to KFC to pick that up. That's my second delivery. Then yeah, we'll go from there. Anyway, I'll see you at KFC. Boom! Currently arrived at the land of the Colonel, KFC. So here we are at Colonel Sanders. I'm about to go in. So currently in Colonel Sanders, obviously. I've put the bag in the bag from Colonel Sanders, and now we're headed about a mile down the road. So let's go and drop this off. Hopefully I can show you guys this delivery. This is number 2. Had to put fuel in because my car was geared. Obviously when I run around quite a fair bit during the week, so don't use that much petrol compared to what I make, so it doesn't really matter. But still, obviously I still use petrol, don't I? Oh, nice. That's a nice 3 Series. Right, so I got to head a mile down the road, deliver this Colonel Sandys. Right. Time to take this to the customer. One bag. Okay, so we've come to the next spot, the pickup spot. It's still exactly the same area. I've picked up from Greg's over there, KFC over there, and now I'm picking up from McDonald's. So I'm about to go in here and pick up for Uber and go and drop that off. No idea how far it's going to be, but I'll find out when I pick up the order. Right, so we picked up the third delivery. Right now I'm currently on £11 and 19 pence. Dropped 2 deliveries off, which is pretty cool, you know, that I can just make money like that from not really doing much work. I'm gonna go home in a bit because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day. Okay, so number 3 is at the door. Hi there, enjoy your meal. KFC to God knows where. Take that. Let's go and pick it up. Anyway, enough about that. Let's go. No listen to bad man talk. As you can see, I've now changed my top. I've been home, had dinner. We're back out again, and now I'm picking up order number 4. Delivery number 4. Right, let's get it. But anyway, so we've got the 4th order in a bag. Boom. Let's go to the next delivery spot and keep it moving. Right, this is only delivery address is like a mile away, or 1.3, but I just called it a mile. Round it down, not up. So that shouldn't take too long. Right, I've just dropped order 4 off and my phone's buzzing again. So now it's time to go and do number 5. Come on, let's go. As you've just seen on my phone screen, we've just got order number 5, which is about 2 miles down from where I am right now. And then I'm gonna drop that a mile, I think. Anything that you fancy, you know just what you came to do. She wanna live life for bungee. Okay, Google. We just arrived at another McDonald's, which I'm picking up from. I think this is order 6, and we're just about to head over there to McDonald's. Anyway, come with me, let's go. Right, so we just collected the bag. Got the bag in the bag. Alright, let me have a look to see where we're going. I've always wanted one of those Golfs, like the Golf on the right hand side there. 1.2s. Now they're 2 litres. Never had a 2 litre car. I won't mind owning one at one point. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm now wearing another layer of clothing. It's cold out here. Anyway guys, it's now 6:30. I've just literally dropped off the last delivery over there. So I'm gonna be heading home and yeah, just chilling out, enjoying the rest of the evening. So anyway, we made 220 something on Just Eat, and on Uber we made £83, I think. So I'll flash them up there and up there somewhere. But yeah, basically, it's been a good week. It's been an interesting week. So that's what we made on top of our normal salary from work. So what I'm gonna do, the plan for the rest of this year is to basically rinse and repeat the same thing.